Hello friends, today we'll learn alphabet A to Z and number draw with color name. So let's start. Light green color, gray color, pink color, purple color, white color, yellow color, dark green color, sky blue color, orange color, brown color, peach pink color, red color, black color, and blue color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's paint. Red color, A for ant, A for ant. Light green color, V, B for ball, B for ball. Sky blue color, C, C for cat, C for cat. Orange color, D, D for duck, D for duck. Blue color, E, E for egg, E for egg. Red color, F, F for flowers, F for flower. Light green color, G, G for gift, G for gift. Sky blue color, H, H for hen, H for hen. Orange color, I for igloo, I for igloo. Blue color, J, J for jelly, J for jelly. Red color, K, K for kite, K for kite. Orange color, L, L for lollipop, L for lollipop. Blue color, M, M for monkey, M for monkey. Light green color, N, N for notebook, N for notebook. Sky blue color. O. O for octopus. O for octopus. Red color. P. P for penguin. P for penguin. Orange color. Q. Q for quill. Q for quill. Blue color. R. R for radish. R for radish. Light green color. S. S for star. S for star. Sky blue color. T. T for tomato. T for tomato. Red color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Orange color. V. V for fan. V for fan. Blue color. W. W for wolf. W for wolf. Light green color. X. X for fox. X for fox. Sky blue color. Y. Y for yoga. Y for yoga. Red color. Z. Z for sheep. Z for sheep. Light green color. Number 1. Sky blue color. 2. Red color. 3. Orange color. 4. Blue color. 5. Light green color. 6. Sky blue color. 7. Red color. 8. Orange color. 9. Blue color. 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.